Hey y'all, so we're going to be installing a Nicki Minaj inspired look. So this look is from her Red Ruby to Sleeze pictures on IG with the buns and the hair sticks. Like, it's lit. So we're going to use a 613 wig to color it that half and half red color and pink color you're going to see. So I got this pink petal color from Kiss, and then I also got this ruby red ruby to Sleeze, period, color from my local beauty supply store. So let's get into it. So I started off parting this wig out, just doing the middle part just so I could color each side evenly. And yeah, I was just trying to get the part together. This isn't a full lace wig though. This is just a frontal wig. It's not, y'all know how these Amazon wigs is. They ain't really, but this is the style that we're doing. The two buns and the hair sticks, period. So what I started off with was the pink color in the tub, and I was just mixing it together just to get that pink color, but this was just like a little starter. I didn't mix all the color all the way. What I did do is put some color on this brush, and then I brushed half of the side just to make sure that it gets evenly. I didn't want it to spill over to the other side, if you know what I mean. Not spill, but like melt over. I don't know. Whatever it is, I didn't want it to get to the other side. So then I dipped that side in the pink mixture, and then I just made sure that all of that hair was inside the wisdom. I did get a little color on the other side, but you're not going to see it because the red is more prominent than the pink. So I wasn't worried about the pink. I was more so worried about the red because I wanted the red to be very, very strong and out there, and the pink was going to be soft and subtle like she had in the picture. And I feel like I executed it well. The red was just like a lot though, low key. So yeah, really all I'm doing is just making sure the hair is just coated evenly. I let this sit because I had to run to the hair store and grab the braiding hair for both sides because this side was only, or this wig is only 20 inches. So I'm like, I need to have some braiding hair on the end just to make those buns look cute. And literally all I did was just make sure that this sat for a good, how long did this sit? I think like 30 minutes I let it sit just so the color could like really penetrate.
You inside a G-class, that's just a start. Get plenty things got in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalist flush the magnum just so they not collecting my special.
And I'm doing the same thing with the other side. So what I'm doing is putting that red color on the brush and then making sure that I'm just combing out the other side just to make it, that even color. Like I said, the pink, it doesn't really matter because the red is going to go over that pink. Like, it's not going to mess it up. So all I did was take that brush, made sure the part was even on the other side, and yeah, that's it.
If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second, fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped them, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that? If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no place if you got time to waste. Waste it with me.
And then once I was done with that side, just making sure that part is nice and cute, I put the red color in the bin. Like I said, this red color is very prominent, so I didn't want to get it on the pink side because I'm like, I know if it get on the pink side, it's not gonna be right, okay? It's not gonna be right. And it's not a full lace wig where I can really part it down the middle to make sure that red doesn't get on the pink. Low key it did in the back, but you can't see it. Like, well, you can if you're looking at the back, but in the front you're not gonna really see it. So what I did was the same thing. I dipped that side of the hair into the bin, and yeah, I just made sure to just coat it all. I got my hands in there, I got it dirty, you know. And look, if you want to get that look, sometimes you got to get your hands dirty, okay? But yeah, and it didn't stain the lace at all either. I really, y'all, to be honest, I didn't wash the color out on either side because I didn't want it to bleed. So literally all I did was towel dry each side, and then I popped the wig on.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual.
Okay, here I am blow drying the wig. Like I said, I did not wash either side, and low key I had each side like held up so I didn't have to get it messed up on either side. Like, I didn't want either side to be messed up. I got a little red on the pink, but I feel like it still came out cute. And this is the final result of the color, y'all. Ain't it so cute? And now I'm about to install. So I'm just doing my same ball cap method. I'm cutting the ear tabs out of the cap, and then we're just going to be gluing down the cap and then gluing down the wig. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, going nuts. And then I'm using Rasta-free braid hair just for each side of the ponytails. Like I said, I feel like this wig was too short just to make like regular ponytails with. So I just got some braiding hair that I think that matched the best that I could find. Like, I feel like they match pretty good. The pink side was a little lighter than the actual hair color, but it still came out cute. It was still popping. Okay, and then now we just popping her on Miss Red Ruby the Sleeze, period. Okay, and then y'all can see where the red on the other side got on the pink side. I'm happy that it's kind of further back and you can't really tell. But yeah, that's what I mean, like, just to be careful with each side because you don't want that red to get on that pink. But it was still cute. It was still giving. I was hot combing it out just to make sure it was very, very flat. The flattest I could get it. To be honest, I didn't pluck the top of this wig or the front at all. I was like, this is just a quick little install. I literally took it off that same night because I'm like, I need to go to work tomorrow and I can't go on with these buns. So we made it do what it do. Like I said, these buns took forever to put into the two buns. But before I put them in the two buns, I needed to cut the lace. Like I said, y'all, this wig was very, very quick. I wasn't going to do the most perfect install with this wig because I literally, like I said, I took it off the same night. But yes, I just got this wig in and I said I have to do Red Ruby the Sleeves. Like, there's no way. Like, I haven't tried any like out the box colors yet with like my wig installs, and I was like, this is the perfect time to do it, like, period. So what I'm doing is using the Got To Be Glue gel, and then I'm using the Got To Be Glue spray, mixing it in, and then I'm going to do the baby hairs. Okay, just real quick little swoop. I'm still working on my baby hairs, y'all. I'm not, the best at it, but I'm still working on it. And after I did these baby hairs, I had to put the ponytail back in. I'm like, oh, This is gonna take forever, okay? And luckily it did take forever. I finished this wig at like 3 o'clock in the morning, but I started at like 12, so that was on me. I just took a little minute to do it. But I still feel like I killed it. You know, a little rushed wig and all, okay? Okay, and then here's the look in the ponytails. Looking cute, period. Yes, and then I'm using the light pink braiding hair from Rasta Free Braid Hair just to put it in on the other side, make it look cute, make it look fancy, okay? And just to add like that depth, I would say, to the ponytail. So this is how I'm putting the ponytail on, y'all, or putting the braiding hair in. I'm using the rubber band that came with the braiding hair, and then I'm just wrapping it around. I know y'all seen this trick before of how to like put the ponytail, or put some hair like in a ponytail. I'm doing the same thing. Like, you see how I just wrapped it around, and then I'm just gonna put it on, put my ponytail through, or pull my ponytail through, and yeah, just wrap it around. So after I just wrapped it around, made it look cute. I was doing my TikToks, don't mind me. And then I did the next one, and it came out super cute. I had to redo it because I'm like, it's not giving like that Chun-Li, you know? It ain't giving Chun-Li what Nikki approved, okay? So what I did was I just twisted the hair in. I did the same method as I did on the other side. And I know y'all, this wig look a little rough, but you know, this was just a quick, fun style. I was like, I just love hair, so I was like, let me just try something different, something new, something fresh, something I haven't tried before. And yes, this was the vibes, y'all. It's giving Miss Nikki M. Stop playing with me, okay? I did eventually like put up some of the little pieces that was coming up on the side, but this is the look, y'all. Hope y'all like it. Like, subscribe, do all that, and I'll see y'all in the next video. It's your girl Shai. Bye.